Average weaning cost per piglet is 300 yuan. Annual PSI around 29 piglets. This is Yangxiang Group's Daqing No. 2 farm. Results from 3 years ago. Even by today's standards, they still stand out. However, this older farm with a scale of 6,300 sows underwent an even more impressive transition in 2023. Transformed from a growing and fattening farm to a sow farm in 2015, it has 6,300 livestock on hand today. Daqing No. 2 farm has, for many years, been a production benchmark within the group. But as competition in the industry intensified, the limitations of the old facility gradually became clear. Heavy reliance on manual data recording, delayed data leading to wrong decisions, serious feed waste, and persistently high costs. The swinery environment were relatively tough, making recruitment hard. All of this signaled that Daqing No. 2 farm needed a new path forward. One key trigger for our transformation was that, at the same time, the group was strongly promoting the upgrade of traditional farms with intelligent equipment. So we started to think, for a large-scale traditional farm like ours with intelligent equipment added, could we break through our performance ceiling? At the very beginning of the transition, we applied to the group to pilot it in 2 buildings as a test case, just to see whether large-scale deployment would affect our production. Through installing these 2 pilot buildings, we learned how long it takes to equip one building, and found it had absolutely no impact on production. Frontline personnel gave very positive feedback in the end, and acceptance was extremely high. We immediately applied to headquarters for full site installation, from 1 pilot building to full deployment over the past few years, while ensuring continuous performance improvement. The cost reductions and production stability achieved became the greatest gains. When market conditions are weak, we lose less or even make small profits. When the market is strong, we're able to make substantial profits, thanks to the implementation of the Shuying FPF intelligence solution. Without changing the farm's basic infrastructure, it restructured the production logic from the core processes, bringing visible, tangible changes. Looking at the results we've achieved so far, we've summarized a few key points. First of all, biosecurity. We can now manage it with precision. When personnel enters the site, we can effectively monitor their shower time, water consumption. As for materials, we can see disinfection concentrations at any time, ensuring the effectiveness of disinfection. The second point is our team. We're basically no longer worried about personnel turnover. With our paperless operations, there's no need to fill out breeding cards anymore. On top of that, our precision feeder automatically calibrate feed and weigh it automatically, so our employee no longer have to do manual weighing. Another thing is that we're no longer overly dependent on individual experience. Everyone can work through these intelligent equipment operations because we've achieved fully standardized data workflows. Because of this, college graduates are willing to stay, and our experienced employees feel much less pressure and are happy to keep contributing here. With biosecurity and labor efficiency, once these foundations are in place, we can then focus more on driving production performance. On the production side, thanks to the 3-part precision feeding system, the delivery piggery can save up to 500 tons of feed annually, enabling self-help feeding with almost no leftover waste. At the same time, individual precision feeding allows every pregnant sow to perform at its full potential. On the management side, large data dashboards display key indexes in real time, with second-level early warning for error information. Daily tasks are automatically assigned by the system, allowing employees to focus on what really matters. From a legacy benchmark to an intelligent model farm, the 10-year evolution of Daqing No. 2 farm may offer traditional pig farms a clear direction for intelligent upgrading. It proves that transforming traditional farms doesn't require blind pursuit of massive investment or full coverage. Small-scale pilots and gradual upgrades can also deliver cost reduction and efficiency gains. In today's pig farming industry, as it moves toward larger scale and more intelligent operations, cost efficiency is the core competitive edge, while stable production performance is the foundation for long-term success.